Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 9 physical science chapter number 1, matter around us, question answer. So in this video we are going to see the question answer of this chapter. So first of all, moving to our answer, let's see the question, then we will move to our answer, right? So first of all you have to see the question, then we will see the answer also. Okay, so if you can say, this is our first of all keywords, so we will discuss keywords. Okay, now after that, what we have learned, we will discuss lots of the in that given key one point, so we will see that one. Okay, so after that, here let's us improve our learning. And improve your learning, there is a reflection of concept. There is a 6 questions given, we will see that 6 question. Then application of concept, we will see 5 question. And think order thinking question. Okay, now think order, this is the highest order thinking. Sorry, actually, I didn't read that very carefully. Okay, now, so this is, we will see that 2-1. Okay, that then after we see multiple choice question, then suggested experiment, suggested project work. Okay, now, so till here whatever is in its like question answer, keywords, high order thinking question, experiment, project works, whatever in this chapter, we will discuss everything whatever in this one. Okay, now, so now let's move to our answer. So we already see the question, now we have to see the answer, and this is our first chapter, matter around us, and already we see the question, right? So here you can see, this is the first thing is here, key concept. So we already know that key concept means important points which is related to your chapter only. Okay, now it is given here, so lots of the children recommend to read this or write. Okay, now, so if you want to be also write this key concept, or if you want to read, you can read. Okay, it is your related chapter only. And this is a mind mapping is very important, you have to write before the chapter, because you will get idea what we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so there is a mind mapping is also given here, so I make it small and showing you. Okay, so is it given here? All right, so I hope this one is clear. So if it is clear, then let's come to the next one. And after that, if you see, this is your keywords means we already know that. Okay, now, so meanings and explanation, matters, states of matter, solid, liquid, gases, it something is given in here, right? So after that, if you see here, this is a given like 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now, particles, diffusions, compressibility, force and traction, compressed natural gas. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. Okay, so if it is clear, then let's go next. After that, if you come, you can see 11th one, 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17. So this is a keywords only, so actually you will not we are not going to write all the keywords, but we will write some keywords which is important. Okay, now, so which is important for you, you can write that that keywords only. Okay, let's see that. Okay, now, so I hope this one is clear for you. So if it is clear, come to the improve your learning. If you come, you can say reflection on concepts. Okay, so reflection on concept means that it's a question answer only. That's the first question. Okay, after the first question, if you see, that's your second question. Okay, and then after that is the third question, and fourth question is also downwards. Okay, so after that, if you go, then it's a fifth question. You can see here, the fifth question is given here. All right, so actually, fifth question is the way is mention the properties of the gases. Okay, now, so after that, here it's also given 7 8 points, and then after, it's a sixth question is also given. Okay, now, so you can see easily sixth question is also given here. So after six, give to a daily situations where you can observe the diffusions, and after that, the application of concept is given. So in application of concept, normally there is a first question is given that mention work where we use compressibility in our daily life. Okay, so after that, if you go to the second question, it said that mention the situation where we use diffusions in our day-to-day life. Okay, so if it is complete, then come to the third question. If you see in the third question say that how can we smell the perfume staying in the soil meters away from the sources. Okay now, and this is the answer of that one. Okay, so I hope this one is clear for you. So if it is clear, then let's see the fourth question. And if you see the fourth question is given in that here, and fourth question tell that how do you prove that the speed of the diffusion of ammonia is more than the speed of diffusions and hydrochloric acid. And the answer is it here, you can easily see here. Okay now, so I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt according to this question answer. Whenever you get doubt, just match with your textbook. Okay, so if it is clear, then see the fifth one. The fifth question is that give an example that is a matter which will be in diffusion state, and that's the answer of that one. And after that here is it sixth question, and there is the answer of that one. Okay, so after that higher the thinking question is given. So higher the thinking question in this, there is a first question is that we can't rejoin the break and chalk easily give reasons, and that's the answer in 5 points. Okay, after that if you see that's the second one. Okay now, is it the space between the particles in the matter influence the speed of the diffusion examples, and that's the answer of that one. Okay, so after that if you come, you can say the suggested experiment. In suggested experiment, that one is the first one, conduct an experiment or to observe the speed of a diffusions of a two substance, and that's the aim material requirement. And this is a procedure also given. And if the procedure is clear, then if in the downwards the observation is also given. So I hope this one is clear for you. If it is clear, then come to the second one. And second one say that conduct an experiment to show the space between the particles and the matters and write the report on that. Okay, and the answer is in the 17 page. You can say this is the 3 is given here, and after that some points is also here. Okay, so I hope this one is clear for you. You will not get any kinds of doubt according to that one. And then after is it suggested project work. Okay, so a project work is given here, suggested project work. After it here first one is given. Okay, the first question is given here, make the model of expansion of structure of particles in the solid liquid gases, and making a model of examples of a structure and things needed. And if it is complete, then come to here the procedure is also given, what is it and what is in it. Okay now, so this is a procedure. Okay, we can use actually. So I think this is easy for you. So if it is clear, then see that second one. If you see the second question say that the what are the factors including diffusions, whether the arrangement of the atoms in substance in diffusion and the arrangement of atom the that's the medium the which is skipped. Okay, so I hope this one is clear. If it is clear, then let's come here. Nothing in it. Okay, so it is still here only. Okay now, so whatever in this chapter like project works and experiment, question answer, and that's a keywords and important point, whatever in is it, it's totally completed. Okay now, so our first chapter is totally completed here. Okay now, we will meet the next video. Jai Hind.